The importance of dance is the art of self-expression. And really beginning to find yourself and release any kind of emotions that you have and share that with the world. It's important to dance because it's a way of healing from the inside out. We're able to express our feelings without having to say a single word at all.
I love being creative, and I love the fact that I can help tap into other people's creative spirit and let them realize that everyone is a creative being on this planet. It just manifests itself in different ways. So yes, I understand it's intimidating, but that's good because it forces you to be in the moment. Some people have the desire to tell stories.
What's a potential relationship between these two?
And it's as important as the beginning of human consciousness, is the idea of wanting to have stories told to us.
The Actors School gives people in the community of Austin an opportunity to train.
I need a wingman. Yeah. I need some new moves.
In an environment that is both professional and for fun.
Both of the Safari Sunset, to give it a little bit of depth. This is a multi-billion-dollar industry that is really here to stay. There's always going to be a need for flowers.
I saw that this was a local course. It's become my new direction in life.
Open my own business and hopefully be successful.
This course really prepares them to go out there in the industry and get a job.
Fashion definitely is a form of art. It's an expression of someone's individuality. It's an expression of the seasons. It's an expression of everything that's happening around you. Austin is growing in the fashion industry, and this program is just bringing everything together. We've got companies that are working here in the Austin area, and they need trained people.
This ACC course is truly a gift.
Yeah. I have dreams to start my own business one day.
I get to see my thoughts come to life. That's the simplest way I can put it.
Welcome to our student farm. We have 17 acres on the Elgin campus, and it's a working, sustainable farm. This farm is our learning lab, our hands-on space for our program.
It's great when the community comes out here and actively engages and learns about where their food comes from.
I encourage you to check out our program. This is a place where you can come learn.